Just keep going and getting as many people vaccinated as you can, and then you will see that number of cases per day will go down to a very low level.
Across the country, scenes of pre-pandemic life.
It feels great to be out.
This is nice to get that energy back.
New COVID cases in the U.S. dropping to 25,000 per day, the lowest level since last June. Health officials say vaccines are helping fuel the decline. New Mexico is now the 9th state where 70% of adults have received at least one dose of a vaccine. But with the pace of vaccinations slowing, more states are finding creative ways to offer the shots. Starting today, New York will offer pop-up vaccination sites at 7 airports, open to any U.S. resident as they fly in or out. Ohio is set to draw the first winner in its $1 million vaccine lottery.
It's the oxygen concentrator.
42-year-old Kyle Barnes says she regrets not getting her first shot. She was put on a ventilator after getting COVID and still needs oxygen.
After everything that I've gone through, I would give a lot to have been able to get that vaccine.
While we're all justifiably focused on the pandemic, there was an incredible surge in gun violence last year, and it's starting to feel like a challenging summer ahead.
An urgent manhunt for the suspect who fatally shot the 6-year-old boy near Santa Ana, California. Aiden Leos killed while he was riding in the backseat of his mother's car, a tragic victim of possible road rage.
He was precious, and you killed him for no reason.
Aiden's mom says she was trying to change lanes when the car behind her attempted to cut her off. A few seconds later, a shot rang out.
I heard a really loud noise, and my son said, "Ow," and I had to pull over.
As the nation's chronic epidemic of gun violence continues, the young are not being spared. Also this weekend, a 14-year-old girl fatally shot with 14 wounded at an outdoor concert in South Carolina.
It's sad, it's unfortunate.
At least 120 children aged 11 and under have been killed in gun violence, not including suicide so far this year. 281 wounded. Nearly 500 youth ages 12 to 17 killed, over 1,100 wounded. Gun violence deaths surging in the last 3 years, spiking 30% when comparing 2020 to 2018. The number of mass shootings, defined as where 4 or more victims are shot, nearly doubling in that time frame. This weekend, no different. In New Jersey, 2 people killed, 12 injured after gunfire erupts at a house party.
Screaming, hollering, calling the cops. We're calling each other.